Combining strings. Combining strings. To combine strings, for example, you might want to store first and last name in separate variables, and then you want to combine them if you want to display full name. Let's see how. First, go to brackets. Create variable names. First name with a string John, and last name assigned by Jeffrey, for example. Then we create another variable called full name assigned by first name plus last name variables. So right now, print the full name. Save your file and try it on terminal right now. As we can see here, we have a space problem. We just have to put a space after John or before Jeffrey. All of them would work. And try again in terminal. As you can see in the screen, it works well right now. Also, there is a common way to put a space, which is after the plus, put a string signs, space, and another plus. Save the file and see the terminal again. This way is also working well. Pretty good. Thanks for watching.